Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating true offline resources. This is why preparation matters. Enable airplane mode, but keep Bluetooth or NFC on if you'll use local transfers. Download map areas, podcasts, and pages for later. Make sure files are complete. Copy files to a portable drive or phone via USB OTG. This avoids data. Once done, label folders and test one file to confirm it opens offline. Do this now, because you're building the set of tools that replace live internet access. Next, set up local networks to share what you prepared. You'll avoid external data use. Use Wi-Fi direct or Bluetooth to push files between devices quickly, and run a small local web or media server on one device so others can browse cached pages and videos. Install apps that index local files for fast search, and make sure offline map apps are set to internal storage. While you configure, verify device permissions and test streaming from your local server, so playback is smooth without any live connection. Finally, complete the process by syncing remaining files and pruning caches to save space. This keeps local libraries responsive. Test key workflows, open cached web pages, play media from your local server, and navigate offline routes. If playback stalls or files won't open, reboot the host device first, then verify storage permissions and file integrity. Re-download any corrupted assets while you have a connection. Make sure to keep a small reserve of battery and storage for emergency resyncs. This prevents outages when.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.